In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate in Lucidchart, a powerful tool for creating diagrams and visualizing ideas. To get started, you'll want to make your way over to the Lucid website. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the Login button. It should be pretty prominent, often at the top right of the page, allowing you easy access to your account. Now, assuming you don't have an account yet, one simple and popular way to sign up is by using your Google account. This not only makes the sign up process quick, but also links your diagrams with your Google Drive, if needed. So go ahead and click on Sign Up with Google. A window will pop up asking you to choose your Google account. Select the account you want to use, and you'll be seamlessly logged into Lucidchart. Now that you're in, let's talk about creating your first diagram from scratch. Look for the New button once you're on the main dashboard. Clicking this offers you the ability to start a brand new project. This is where the creativity begins. If you are looking to create a flowchart, which is a common starting point, you'll see it as one of the primary options. On the middle panel of your screen, Lucidchart provides several starter templates, including flowcharts, organizational charts, and more. You can click on the flowchart option to start with a fresh canvas. Now, if you're feeling less creative or are in need of some inspiration, Lucidchart has a comprehensive Templates tab. Here you'll find a variety of pre-made charts that you can simply edit to fit your needs. It's a real time saver. Once you've settled on a starting template, you'll want to add specific elements to your diagram. The Shapes tab is your toolbox for adding a vast array of shapes to your project. From simple rectangles to more complex connectors, everything you need is here. If your project requires text or data containers, you can find these under the Containers section. They are perfect for adding more detailed information or structured data within your chart. When you're ready to add some personality to your diagrams, click on the Theme tab. This is where you can select your preferred colors and themes, giving your diagrams a professional or personal touch. Then if you need to add conditional formatting to emphasize certain data aspects, simply click on the Conditional Formatting option. Let's add multimedia elements by clicking on the image icon, which allows you to upload images directly from your computer. This is particularly useful if you have logos or other visual aids you'd like to include. Finally, if you need to link data from Google Sheets, Excel files, or CSV files, the Data Linking tab is the place to do that. It seamlessly integrates your data into your diagrams. And that wraps up your introduction to navigating Lucidchart. With these tools and tips, you're well on your way to creating effective diagrams with ease.